Module 3 Statistical Analysis. Probability. If an experiment is repeated under essentially homogeneous and similar conditions, two possible conclusions can be arrived. They are the results are unique and the outcome can be predictable, and result is not unique but may be one of the several possible outcomes. In this context, it is better to understand various terms pertaining to probability before examining the probability theory. The main terms are explained as random experiment. An experiment which can be repeated under the same condition and the outcome cannot be predicted under any circumstances is known as random experiment. For example, an unbiased coin is tossed. Here, we are not in a position to predict whether head or tail is going to occur. Hence, this type of experiment is known as random experiment. Sample space. A set of possible outcomes of a random experiment is known as sample space. For example, in the case of tossing of an unbiased coin twice, the possible outcomes are 2 head, 1 head and 1 tail, 1 tail, 1 head and 2 tails. This can be represented in a sample space as S is equal to double H, HT, TH and TT. Then an event. Any possible outcomes of an experiment are known as event. In the case of tossing of an unbiased coin twice, 2 head is an event. An event can be classified into two. They are simple events and compound event. Simple event is an event which has only one sample point in sample space. Compound event is an event which has more than one sample point in sample space. In the case of tossing of an unbiased coin twice, 2 head is a sample event and 1 tail, 1 head and 2 tail are the compound events. Then complementary event. A and L complementary event if A consists of all those sample points which is not included in A. For instance, an unbiased dice is thrown once, the probability of an odd number turns up are complementary to an even number turns up. Then mutually exclusive. Events A and B are two mutually exclusive events if the occurrence of A precludes the occurrence of B. Then independent event. A and B are two independent events if the occurrence of A does not influence the occurrence of B. In the case of tossing of an unbiased coin twice, the occurrence of head as the first toss does not influence the occurrence of head or tail in the toss. Hence, these two events are called independent events. Thank you.